Hello everyone! Today we'll see how this extruder for polymer clay works. Welcome to my channel, and if you're new and want to live a kawaii life, click on subscribe button and on the bell so you don't miss anything. Well, the first thing I notice is that there are 20 discs to make different types of cane. Here, this is the geometrical ones, are also used to make edges and can be cut to make smaller polymer clay pearls. Well, let's see what this extruder is like. It is quite expensive, and usually I do not do many cans, and today, for the first time, I want to try it with you. This extruder is different from the one that was made before, because you don't have to push, so it should be easier to use. Honestly, with all these discs, I would have expected a package like the one of Pardo clay, a one you can actually use more times and you can open and close, and where you can keep all these pieces after each use, otherwise you may lose them. Well, if I have to rate the package, in this case I give a 5 out of 10 for this reason. Considering the price, they could do something better. And now I want to try the one in the shape of a drop. This is good for both a flower and art. There are no instructions, so this is not good either. After unscrewing here, I really don't know how it works. Let's see. So, I guess everything has to be unscrewed to put the polymer clay inside. So, this is the press. Can you see? This one here goes to push the clay. So I assume I have to put the disc in here. Up to here it's pretty simple, this tool. Now I'm going to put this pink clay that I've already softened. How much clay should I put in this tool? I try to put a big piece and let's see. And now I put the press back. And I should start to see clay, and here it is. And now I should screw the piece on the back, and let's see. And here it is how it works. You have basically you have to unscrew it, get it down, and then retighten it. So now we can start turning it like a corkscrew. So we have to twist, and I have to say that in fact is it true that there is not too much effort, that this is awesome. And here it is, our clay. Well, I should have softened the clay more. It's a bit broken, but I think this is great. Well, let's try to cut the clay and see how it went out. Our first cane. To make a cane in the shape of art is very easy. I just cut 2 pieces of this drop cane and then I join them. And here it is, a little art. And now the most boring part, the cleaning. Unscrew the front and remove the disc. And here it is, our clay, in the shape of a cylinder. The clay is a bit dirty, I think because there is a bit of oil over the press. I do not know if it is because it's new. Even the pasta machine does it from time to time. I guess it's pretty normal. And we can clean the clay with a bit of alcohol. And now I have to clean it very well, especially where it's screwed in front and on the press. This is a bit time consuming and a bit annoying, but this tool needs to be cleaned very well, otherwise we risk to dirty our next color. This time I put the clay in front of the tool, and I think it's the easiest way, instead of screwing and unscrewing the back. As you can see, I softened this color more. In this case, to prevent the clay from deforming when cutting, it is better to make a very long piece. And now let's see if you can use it like that. I use a piece of white Pardo clay just removed from the packaging. After the second time with the Johnson oil, the clay is more soft, but not a lot. And now let's try the disc with lots of little holes, which I use to make grass. Well, oh my God! Look how wonderful! This is great! This is great also to do the hair. I don't know about you, but I need a lot of time to do so many threads. And this tool here makes so many in seconds. I'm really stunned. This is really awesome. How many? 1, 2, 20. This tool has made 20 threads, 20 thin threads in seconds. I think this is awesome to make hair, to make miniature food like spaghetti. And I think this is really a great help. Just for this, I think it's worth the cost. So now I can give my final vote. My final vote for this tool is 10 out of 10. because it is great to speed up the job, even though it's pretty tedious to clean every time. But at the end of the day, I think it's worth the expense. And that's it for today. If you want a more kawaii life, click on this nice pink button. See you next week, a big kiss, bye bye!